SOLIDWORKS MBD Model-Based Definition, or Product Manufacturing Information, is a great solution to help manufacturers create and distribute creative design information directly from within the model rather than a 2D drawing. SOLIDWORKS MBD provides easy-to-use tools for creating, organizing and output of PMI and helps streamline production, cut cycle times and improve quality. SOLIDWORKS MBD automatically recognizes and creates dimension schemes for polar and linear feature types. It's also easy to reuse the datums you've just created. Select edges just like a drawing, saving time and effort of continuously rotating the model to access the faces you need. Dimension to reference features such as planes, axes, points, and even center of mass symbols. This means you can much more accurately describe the design intent of your models. Add standard notes and link values to your model such as weight or key dimensions. When using SOLIDWORKS MBD with sheet metal parts, bend notes can be automatically inserted directly into the component's flat pattern view, displaying each bend direction, angle and radius. When a bend table is inserted, each bend and component flat pattern view is tagged in relation to the table. Then all of the information can be captured in a 3D view. SOLIDWORKS MBD can easily compare the dimensions between two parts. Unique elements are highlighted in purple. Modified data is shown in green. All of this information is available as a report. This all means you are much better informed to the changes that are heading your way and are much less likely to miss something critical. There are multiple ways of publishing the MBD data, including 3D PDF and eDrawings. If you still require a traditional drawing, then you can reuse the MBD dimensions to create the drawing. The PDF publisher in SOLIDWORKS provides you with a full preview of a final document, complete with custom property information populated from the model. Security settings provide more flexibility, enabling you to set the access to print, edit and copy. Documents can be protected further by setting the password to open, plus an additional master password that can be used to override all security settings if required. When viewing the published PDF, the user can download any of the files attached conveniently within the same PDF document. The end user can easily rotate and interrogate the model using standard Adobe PDF Viewer. They also have the added ability to add additional comments where set up. The completed MBD part can also be published to eDrawings, making it easy to share the file with anyone. SOLIDWORKS MBD provides easy-to-use tools for creation, organizing and output of PMI and helps streamline production, lifecycle and improve quality.